YouTube and Facebook. This is a quick special update. I'm doing this about 5:35 on Thursday, the 21st of July. Can't stay long because we have newscast here. Obviously, for those that don't know, I'm a television meteorologist. We're in a break between our evening newscast. Thought I'd hop on here and talk about the current situation we have with the thunderstorms across central Alabama. So let's go right to the radar. And the storms that you see here, they're doing a number of things. First off, they're producing some flooding problems. We have a flash flood warning in effect for the city of Birmingham and the Birmingham Metro. And this is the worst possible time for this, where a lot of folks are trying to drive home. It is just an absolute quagmire in Birmingham. The rain is falling so hard, the visibility is just a fraction of a mile. There are strong winds. There's almost nonstop lightning. And there's also some hail involved in this. So if there's any way you might consider just waiting an hour until the storms let up a little bit. But again, some flooding most likely will begin soon, if not going on now in the Birmingham Metro. So keep that in mind. And you see that really long severe thunderstorm warning polygon there. That is in effect for parts of Tuscaloosa, Jefferson, Bibb, Shelby, Talladega, Clay, St. Clair, and Calhoun counties. For the line itself. So we'll take a kind of closer look at all of this. And again, you can see in the Birmingham Metro, that's just a mess. It is absolutely pouring across most all of Jefferson County. And keep in mind that is sagging to the south, so it's going to start raining heavily in Shelby County soon. That's the reason for the warnings down to the south. We are in River Chase, the station here, and it's just absolutely pouring at our place. Off to the east, same thing. Tremendous amounts of rain falling just north of Interstate 20 from near Wattsville over to Lincoln, right down Old Highway 78 over to East Teboga, Bynum, Oxford, and Anniston. And within that line, we probably have some hail falling. In fact, I almost guarantee you we have some hail falling. A lot of creepy-looking clouds today. There's no tornado threat. The main threat coming from strong straight-line winds and hail and flooding and all of the lightning involved. We'll check the western side of the state. Raining heavily in parts of Tuscaloosa County, really east and west of the city of Tuscaloosa. At the moment, the city is dry. We've got a severe thunderstorm warning in effect down here for parts of Hale, Greene, Sumter counties, and southwest Tuscaloosa County for the big cluster that's down to the southwest of the city of Tuscaloosa. But again, one more time, we'll kind of go and animate this. And this is part of an organized batch of storms that has prompted a severe thunderstorm warning this afternoon. A severe thunderstorm watch for most of central Alabama. This includes a lot of counties. And again, if you're south of this line, just be aware that you're going to have to deal with it at some point this evening. The watch runs until 11 o'clock tonight. After 11, the storm should begin to gradually die down. But again, the greatest concern here, the threat of heavy rain and flooding, strong straight-line winds, hail, mostly small hail. There might be some hailstones up to quarter size in spots. And the lightning is almost nonstop. In fact, I've heard of one lightning injury earlier today in the Birmingham Metro. So, again, driving into this stuff you probably don't want to do. So if there's a way you can delay your trip home, you might want to consider that. But if you do drive, remember, turn around and don't drown. These storms should, again, diminish later tonight, and then tomorrow it won't be this organized, won't be as nasty as this, and a pretty good chunk of the weekend will be dry. But in terms of the warnings, again, we have a fairly large severe thunderstorm warning polygon that includes much of Bibb, Jefferson, Shelby, St. Clair, Talladega, Clay, Calhoun County, south of that line. So, in fact, we just lost power here at the television station, and I don't know if we're still on the air. I think we are here on Facebook and YouTube. We have a generator here at the station. Again, we are in River Chase, and some of the things are on the generator, some are not. And again, we lost power back here, but I think we're on the generator power now. So, again, that's how nasty it is. But I got to run because I've got to get ready for the newscast on ABC 3340. We're on at 4, 5, 6, and 10. We're currently in network news. We're in world news tonight, so we'll be back on the television side here in a few minutes at 6 o'clock. So we'll see you then. Thank you guys for watching. Be safe.